Showtime! Guess what, everybody? Welcome back to all our faithful followers at Rustic Glam Life. This is a very special video, okay? What we're doing here is this is a unique unboxing opportunity that I don't know if you'll ever see anywhere else. This is a Kyle McCollar FabFitFun subscription opening. Yes, and if you can see, you might not be able to in small writing, it says Kyle McCollar on the FabFitFun box. So, you're going to ask yourself, why did Kyle get a FabFitFun subscription box? Well, quite frankly, I got this as a gift for a family member, and I forgot to cancel the subscription after I got the gift. And it went to an email account that I don't always check necessarily, and so needless to say, I ended up with the Fall FabFitFun subscription box. And it's not even open. Look, we're going to do an opening here. All right, survey says, cut the tape. Let's see what we got inside, shall we? Okay, take our cardboard off. Ah. Okay, we got our FabFitFun magazine right here. We've got some codes and HelloFresh food stuff. Oh, we got some codes here. This is our box right here. Let's see what's in it, shall we? Okay, we have pumpkin spice, a petty in a box, deluxe 4-step program here. All right, I can definitely use one of these. Okay, this has, oh, look at that. There's 2 sets of 4 in here. So, 2 complete 4-step pedicure sets. This is gonna be epic. Pumpkin spice. This is a salt soak, folks. Again, you just don't get that everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. Vitamin mask. This is right up Kyle's alley. You know, the wife always tells me, Kyle, you know what you have? You've got man hide. This is going to do wonders for my man hide. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's sets of 4. No, 5. There's 5 of them in here. You know what this is going to give me? A radiant complexion. Again, where are you going to find this kind of stuff? So I got my multivitamin mask. Let's see what's next. Woolite. All right, we got some Woolite. This is Sasaguan finishing cream for all your finishing needs. Shape and moisturize. That's exactly what I need. Let's see what it... Oh, it's sealed up. That's not going to stop me. I don't know what a finishing stuff is, but I'll just put it on here to see what it does. Look at finishing. Yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to finish, but... Ooh, it's smooth. It smells pretty good, I guess. Still kind of wet. What's it supposed to finish? I don't know. But anyways, it's supposed to finish. What do we got next? Oh, this is right up my alley. This is a Soya Kawaii. Let's rip right into this thing, see what happens. It's a scarf thing. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's a... Oh, this is like a Pancho Villa without the Villa. There. See? It's like a giant bib. Perfect for that pie eating contest. All right. Oh! I got some Sasaguan styling cream. Straight or curly? Well, with this hair, I think we're going straight. I'm not even going to bother putting that on. Oh, I'm attacked by dogs. They must like my bib. Stop. All right, we've got some Beauty Crop Glow Milk. So this is nourished with coconut and argan oil. I wish I knew what it nourished. Well, it's pretty small, so I don't think you drink it. But it's glow milk. There, see? You want me to open it? Okay, I will. You insisted. You're gonna, uh-oh, I hope I didn't ruin it. Oh, it's got a cute little dropper thing. Glow milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. I wish my wife was here to tell me what this is for. It's like a makeup-y thing.
It makes you look dewy.
Oh, it makes you look dewy. Okay. Dewy. Right here. Dewy. Not right there? Okay, next on our big unboxing. We have So Rich NCLA treatment. See, it's a tiny little bottle of something. I don't know what it does. It's got a tiny little dropper, like a little oil. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells like a vanilla. I can't read it. Next we have Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. My skin is gonna be radiant. I'll tell you what. It's a mask, so I think you put it all over your face. This dog likes to sniff stuff. I just don't want her to eat it. I don't know if I'm supposed to leave it on to like harden and peel it off, or if this just soaks into my pores, my man hide pores. All right, well, now my hand's all creamy. Oh, last thing. What is this? This is a mason jar hydration kit. Okay, so it looks like, again, now this box, again, I didn't know I was getting it, so I wasn't able to choose any of my products this time. Oh wait, there won't be a next time. So, oh my gosh, look at this. I know someone who's gonna take this. Not me. Oh look, it's like a mason jar. I guess that's why they call it a mason jar. But it looks like a giant baby bottle. Look, it's got the measurements like a giant baby bottle. Ha! All right. Well, this box was $49.99. This is the fall box that I got here. Ugh. So this is the fall box.
I don't think it is.
You don't think it is?
It's not the same as my fall box.
Oh, well,
It must be an editor's box.
This could be an editor's box because I'm so special. So there you have it. Obviously, I'm not going to use this stuff, but I know some lovely lady that's going to love it. And this was, again, it was something that I got on accident. It was my fault, not theirs. I love the stuff in the box because I know she's been smiling and giving me big eyes here. So I know that somebody is very appreciative of this stuff and is really going to use it and like it. This is a quarterly box, and I know that Jackie gets these boxes because we just did another unboxing over these about 2 weeks ago or so, and she loves these boxes. And this is one of the subscription boxes that we plan on keeping. So with that being said, I'm going to take my multivitamin radiant complexion mask for my man hide and my pumpkin, what is this stuff again? Pumpkin petty in a box, and go take care of some pedicuring stuff. So until we meet again, it's Kyle and Jackie, Rustic Glam Life. We're out of here.